It's Tucker. You might be asking yourself, what is on his head? Oh, it's my motorcycle helmet. Yeah, my motorcycle. I bought a motorcycle, you guys. And about a week ago, but Betsy was really pissed when I came home with it, so I've just been cruising around by myself. Oh man, it's so awesome. Just the feel of the motorcycle. You get on it, and it's like... I love it so much. I'm gonna go ride around. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.